became the part of the song Balma, and what was your reaction when you heard the word Balma? Did you actually knew the meaning of Balma?
First of all, I got a call one beautiful morning. I got a call from the production house of Kilari 786, and they said that they would like to meet me, and if we could meet in the office. I said okay. So we fixed up the time, and then I went to the office. Of course, first of all, they make me hear Balma and explain that they are searching for an item number girl, and they would like me to do the item song. So of course, hearing Balma, I was so excited because it is a very catchy and peppy number. So it is very fantastic to hear that song, and you feel already like dancing. So I was really happy, and a part of that it's Kilari 786. So so that's how I got the offer. Actually, the production house called me up, and I was very excited about that song. And Balma on the beginning, of course, they're like the lover or Balma. There are so many friends tell me different meaning, but basically it's a darling or something from this level. So yeah, nice.
How was your experience working with Akshay, sharing the screen space with him, and this is your first item number in Bollywood? So what would you like to say about it?
Yes, it is my first first item number in Bollywood, and yes, I was really excited and really over happy, especially because it was with Akshay sir, and to dance next to him is just amazing, and you can learn so much just while watching him, dancing, and how he's behaving in front of the camera. I was just observing him and learning so much out of it, and of course, I prepared myself accordingly because I had to do rehearsal. The choreographer of Balma is Ganesh Master, Ganesh Acharya, which is like, again, one of the top choreographer in the film industry. So I rehearsed with him for 2 days before the shooting, and it came out very well. But yeah, the excitement was big, and the whole setup of that song with Akshay sir, with Ganesh Master as a choreographer, and with Himesh sir, who is the composer of this really good song and number. It was a great experience for me.
What is the best moment you enjoyed shooting entirely? Any best element? And did you learn the music? It was difficult to learn the lyrics. Balma, it's a Hindi, so
Yeah, I speak Hindi right now, so it was not that difficult. But of course, I got the lyrics a few days before the shooting, so I learned that. And while rehearsing, I was singing it as well, so practicing for some time. It is important to understand the meaning of the lyrics, so you can express as well what you want to express by these lines. So it is equally important. So yes, I learned that, and it was really like a dream for me.
Can you sing few lines of Balma?
I cannot sing. Shreya Ghosal is
Can
the number
you just
one.
try like?
No, I cannot sing, but Tera rasta deg rahi hu, sigri pedal seg rahi hu, apardesi bole Balma. Oh, Balma. That's the song, and that's the lyrics. So it's very catchy and very like kind of peppy kind of number.
What would you like to say about Akshay Kumar as a producer and working with him, and also Asin as she's there in the song?
Yeah, both are there. Akshay sir and Asin, both are there in that song, and as I said, I was like really happy, over happy to work with them. Asin is a fantastic girl, and I was also talking on the set with her, and we had like nice conversation during the shooting because we were shooting for 3 days, though Asin was 2 days, and Akshay sir also. So it was great experience because they are the Bollywood stars, they are the number ones, and if you get opportunity to work next to them, to dance next to them, it's like wow factor, like dream come true for me. So it was amazing experience, and I would like to get the opportunity once again and work with them because it's just fantastic.
What wishes would you like to give Kilari 786 movie?
Pardon me?
What wishes do you like to give to the movie 786 Kilari?
Of course, I wish Kilari 786 to be super duper hit and to be over successful. I wish that everyone is going to watch it, and I think they are all going to watch it because Kilari is like serial of a movie which has been very successful till now, and Kilari, our Akshay Kumar sir, is like rocking in his role, and it's like a very A lot of action is there, a lot of comedy is there. The script is really, really good, and the director Ashish Mohan is really talented guy. I saw him being on the screen, taking his shots. He's really like he knows what he's doing. So it is amazing mixture of all good entertainment. It's a fantastic Bollywood movie. So of course you have to watch it.